So what we got here is a old school Wizard Ratchet made in USA. Pretty hard to come by these anymore, maybe on eBay or something. So this baby was seized up and you can't select gears, nothing. It's seized up solid. So I took the screws out, popped the plate out with a punch, and there's actually nothing wrong with the ratchet, which is what I find on most of these old ratchets. Everything's just gummed up, seized, and junk in there for years and years. We're gonna rip this baby apart and clean it all up. I'm gonna use some 7-Eleven to lube this baby up. Just pull this out, there's a spring and a ball there, and then that thing flips over it, you know what I mean?
And then this piece here will just come out?
Yeah, just slide right out, man. That's it. That's all there is your pawl. That's just a pawl.
We've got some
gears.
degreaser.
Well, yeah, the 7-Eleven works pretty good. I got the spring loosened up, so it's...
Oh, it does it?
Yeah. Well, it looks like the pawl is cleaned on there, so the only way to get that off would be to grind it. So I want to leave that bad boy in there and just scrub her out on the inside with a wire brush. Well, we got her all cleaned up inside. Not bad. Got the gears all cleaned up. Screws. Baby should drop right in there and we're good. There we go. And I always use a little bit of air tool oil on the gears. Just a little bit. Drop your container plate back in there. Screws back in. There she is. Pretty simple to rebuild, or you can get the rebuild kits for them. A lot of these are just gummed up. Pretty simple to get them working again. Yeehaw.